Welcome to class. Thank you for filling this break. I really appreciate it. Today, we will be opening one full case, 12 boxes of 2021 Tier 1. And there will be 12 boxes in this. So one box will be containing 2 autographs and 1 relic. And in the full case, we'll be getting 24 autographs and 12 relics. So 24 autographs is a lot. So hope you can get one of those autographs. Alrighty, so there is a chance we may get a multi-team autograph card, and that will be randomized at the end of the break. So the team on the card will be put in a randomizer, and a dice will be rolled, and the card will be awarded to the first spot listed in the randomizer. However, if a card has a multiple player, the card will be awarded to the majority of the team's owners. For example, 4 Dodgers, 2 Angels, 1 Red Sox, and that would go to the Dodgers because the Dodgers have 4, the Angels have 2, and the Red Sox have 1. So, yeah. So that's just an example right there for you. Next week, we'll be breaking more 2021 First Bowman Edition, and we'll be opening more Football Select, and also some more mixers. And right after this, at 8 p.m. Pacific Time, we'll be breaking a 2020/21 Panini Select football break, and which is going to be all retail. And I'm super excited to open my first full case, and I'm super excited. Thank you everybody again, and let's get breaking. Alrighty. So there's 12 boxes in here. I've been waiting for this break. We were thinking of doing a half case, but I was just like, since there's not many cards, so we can just go for the full case. And that's what we did. So I am super excited. Alrighty, so here we go. This is fresh out of the full case. Alright, here we go. So let's taking out the boxes, and then I'll be setting up right here so you can see them. There's 4 boxes so far. Alrighty. 2 autos, 1 relic per box. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. 11. And alright. Here we go. Alright, so I'm just going to do a double count. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so that's 12 boxes. And here we go. Good luck. Box number 1. So good luck, everybody. Thank you, everybody, again. Alrighty, here we go. First box. Good luck. Alrighty, here we go. So, in Tier 1 only has hits. So there will be no base card. Should be starting off with an auto. Got a Andre. Oh, we got 4 cards. So very nice. Start with an Andre Dawson. Very nice. Andre Dawson, 15 of 200. 15 of 200. Going to the Expos, which is the Nationals. This is going to Marty. Very nice, Marty. And next we got a Josh Bell autograph relic. Very nice. 75 of 100. 100. Very nice, Josh Bell. Going to the Nationals again. Going to Marty. Very nice, Marty. So those first 2 cards we hit are going to be yours. Next we got a Alex Gordon. 234 out of 300. Very nice. So we got 3 autos in that box. That's very nice. Going to the Royals. This is going to Ryan C. Very nice, Ryan. Nice card right here. And a J.D. Davis, 210 of 399. Relic. Very nice. Going to the Mets. Going to Marty. Very nice, Marty. Oh, Marty, you got 3 of those cards in that box. So very nice. Alrighty. So that is the end of our first box, and now we'll be going on to our second box. We'll start with a DJ LeMahieu, 172 of 300. Nice. You going to the Yankees. Going to Marty. Very nice, Marty. When we got our first rookie auto, Braylon Marquez, 3 of 289. Very nice. Nice, Braylon Marquez going to the Cubs. Going to David H. Very nice, David. And a David Boat, 31 of 299 game used memorabilia. White jersey right there. Very nice. Going to the Cubs again. Going to David. So very nice, David. Get 2 of those cards in that second box. Very nice. Alrighty. Now on to our third box. Third box. Let me go. We got another rookie here. So we're going to start off with the back card. And we got a Bryce Harper, 151 of 399. Very nice. Give me memorabilia. Blue jersey. Light blue jersey. Very nice. Going to the Philadelphia Phillies. Going to Chris. Very nice, Chris. We've got a redemption here. Got a redemption. So we'll go with this card in the back. Got a Xander Bogaerts, 54 of 299. Very nice. Xander Bogaerts. Red jersey, going to the Red Sox. Going to Marty. Nice, Marty. Next we got a Luis Garcia rookie, 24 of 300. Very nice. Alrighty. So, our redemption card going to be we receive Prime Performers autograph of Elvis Andrus. Very nice, Elvis Andrus. Andrus redemption going to the Rangers. Going to Marty. Very nice, Marty. Nice redemption here, Elvis Andrus. Alrighty, next we'll go on to our fourth box. Sheffield on the front. We'll go to our relic first. Well, we got a Barry Larkin, 295 of 299. Nice Barry Larkin. Gray with red stripe. Nice card right here. Going to the Reds. Going to Rob B. Very nice. Rob B. We got a Gary Sheffield, 51 of 300. And nice. Going to the Yankees. Yankees going to Marty. And we got a Christian Pache, 157 of 300. Rookie autograph. Wow, very nice. Christian Pache. Going to the Braves. Going to Joshua. Very nice, Joshua. Nice Christian Pache rookie autograph out of 300. Very nice. Nice sick card right here. One of the top rookies of 2021. Very nice. Now we go on to our 5th box. Fifth box. Here we go. Relic. We had a Mark Canha 45 of 299. Nice Mark Canha relic. Going to the Oakland Athletics. Going to Ben D. Very nice Ben. Nice card right there. Got a Whit Merrifield 83 of 300. Nice Whit Merrifield. One of the Royals. Going to Ryan C. Nice Ryan. We got a Brian Garcia 39 of 300. Nice. He's going to the Tigers. Going to Brandon H. Very nice Brandon H. Nice card right there. Any Indians or Rockies? So I don't think there's any Indians or Rockies yet, and no Phillies yet. No, we got one Philly. It was a Bryce Harper relic. And that card was pretty cool. It was a blue jersey. And also, we'll be doing a recap at the end, so you'll see what you get at the end. Ooh, we got a gold signature, 20 of 25, Davy Garcia, rookie. Very nice. Nice Davy Garcia, gold ink. Really nice. Going to the Yankees, going to Marty. Very nice Marty. So we got a Austin Nola, 201 of 300. Very nice. Going to the Padres. Going to Spencer B. Ooh, and we got a Derek Jeter, 276 of 299. White jersey. Very nice. Going to the Yankees. And that's going to Marty. Very nice Marty. Alrighty, now on to our 7th box now. 7th box. Good luck. This one seems pretty light. I'm assuming there might be a redemption here. There's not a redemption. We got a Starling Marte, 36 of 300. Nice Starling Marte. Going to the Miami Marlins. Going to Omar. Or that's Omar. Nice card here. Got a David Peterson, rookie. Rookie auto, 3 of 300. Very nice. Going to the Mets. Going to Marty. Very nice Marty. And a Colton Wong. Colton Wong Gold Ink. 8 of 25. Very nice. That was 3 autos in that box. Going to St. Louis Cardinals. Going to Marty again. Very nice Marty. You got majority of the hits. It's Colton Wong. Heading on to our 8th box. I'll start off with a silver ink, 10 of 10, Andy Pettitte. Very nice. 10 of 10, Andy Pettitte, silver ink. That's going to the Yankees, going to Marty. Very nice Marty. Well, the Yankees have been getting a bunch of hits here. Got a John Kruk, 138 of 300. An old timer. Going to the Phillies, going to Chris. Very nice, Chris. So there's another Philly. Got a 121 of 399 Jose Altuve relic. Altuve relic. Going to the Astros, going to Brian W. Alrighty, and now on to our 9th box. Hope we can pull something big here. Biggest thing we got so here is a Christian Pache auto. That is the biggest hit so far. A Christian Pache auto. This card feels pretty light. This pack feels pretty light. Nice. Be 3 autos again. And yeah, I think it's 3 autos again. Start off with a Rafael Devers. 55 of 200. Nice Devers. Going to the Red Sox. Going to Marty. Nice Marty. Got an Ian Anderson. 11 of 275. Rookie. Nice. Going to the Braves. Going to Joshua. Very nice Joshua. Ian Anderson. Rookie auto. And another Starling Marte. 95 of 300. Another Starling Marte auto. Got a duplicate. Very nice Omar. Alrighty. So now we're going on to our 10th box. Hope we can get something good here. Get a big hit. Oh, got 2 big cards, so it might be 2 relics. We'll start with the Blake Snell auto, 93 of 300. Very nice. Blake Snell. One of the Tampa Bay Rays, going to Joshua S. Very nice. Got a Brandon Woodruff, 374 of 399. Nice Woodruff. Going to the Brewers, going to Greg J. Ooh, and we got a dual relic, 5 of 25, Andy Pettitte. Very nice. That's 2 relics. I'm not sure if I dual relic. Very nice. Going to the Yankees, going to Marty. Very nice Marty. Getting a lot of hits from the Yankees. Alrighty, now on to our 11th box. 11th box. Here we go. Good luck. We'll start for the Darryl Strawberry, 19 of 175. Going to the New York Mets. Going to Marty. Very nice, Marty. Darryl Strawberry. Next, we got a Austin Meadows auto, 202 of 300. Going to the Raids. Going to Joshua S. Nice. Austin Meadows. We got a Ken Griffey Jr., 85 of 299. Going to the Cincinnati Reds. Going to Rob B. Very nice. It says the Reds right there, so that's why it's going to the Reds. Nice Ken Griffey Jr. Alrighty. So here we go on to our last and final box. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Last and final box. Last and final box. Good luck. Here we go. Start for the Nick Madrigal rookie. Nice Nick Madrigal rookie auto. 21 of 201. Rookie going to the White Sox. Going to Greg J. Franklin Killam. 294 of 300. Rookie. Going to the Mets. Going to Marty. And a Kyle Hendricks dual relic. 1 of 25. Going to the Cubs. Going to David H. Very nice. This is a very nice dual relic here. Also 1 of 25. So eBay 101. Very nice. Alrighty. So that is it to end off the break. And here we go. So for relics, we got 12 relics like we were supposed to, but this is the single relics. The single relics. So here we go. We got a Brandon Woodruff out of 399, J.D. Davis out of 399. I believe all of these are out of 399. So Bryce Harper 151. Jose Altuve 121. Ken Griffey out of 85. Then we got a David Boat 31 of 299. Xander Bogaerts 54 of 299. Barry Larkin 295 of 299. And a Mark Canha 45 of 299. And a Derek Jeter 276 of 299. Alrighty. And for our dual ones, our dual relics, we got a Antti Pettitte 5 of 25. And a Kyle Hendricks dual relic 1 of 25. Very nice. Alrighty. For our autos, should have 24 of them. Here we go. Start with a redemption Elvis Andrus Prime Performers autograph. Franklin Killam to 300. Austin Meadows to 300. Blake Snell. Starling Marte. John Kruk. David Peterson. Austin Nola. DJ LeMahieu. Luis Garcia. Christian Pache. Whit Merrifield. Brian Garcia. Starling Marte. Gary Sheffield. And Alex Gordon. And then for our other autos, we got a Berlin Marcos out of 289, Ian Anderson out of 275, Nick Madrigal out of 201, Rafael Devers out of 200, Andrew Dawson out of 200, Darryl Strawberry out of 175, Josh Bell auto relic out of 100, Colton Wong, gold ink out of 25. Davey Garcia, gold ink, 20 of 25, rookie. And a Andy Pettit, silver ink, 10 of 10. So that is the recap of today's break. So thank you everybody again. Don't miss out on next week's break. We'll be breaking some more 2021 First Bowman's Edition, some more select, and also some more mixers. And don't miss out on that on eBay. Right after this at 8 p.m. Pacific time, we'll be opening our 2020 Panini Select Football. Don't miss out on that, coming at 8 p.m. Pacific time. So thank you everybody again. I really appreciate it. And class dismissed. Bye.